myself कारभारी संतोष पाटील from देवमुंगरा माध्यमिक विद्यालय वसलाई, operated by West Khandesh Billa Seva Mandal, Nandurbar. Let us revise and understand more about Roman numerals. We know the Roman numerals used in clock and watches. The Roman numerals write in a 7 base numbers. The symbols I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. We remember 3 rules for writing a Roman numerals. 1. Rule of repetition. Second, rule of addition. Third, rule of subtraction. Let us learn each rule one by one. Rule 1. Rule of repetition. 1. When a symbol is repeated twice or 3 times, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For means x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 multiplied by 2 means 20. X is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 means 30. Second, symbols I, X, C and D cannot repeated 3 times at maximum. म्हणजेच आपण I, X, C आणि M या सिम्बॉलला 3 पेक्षा जास्त वेळा आपण रिपीट करू शकत नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, we can write 1 as I. We can write 1 as I. 2 as I. 3 as I. But 4 as cannot write I. Means 4 is cannot write I. That is a writing system in Roman language. Third, symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Means symbol म्हणजेच जे रोमन भाषेतले सिम्बॉल आहे V, L आणि D हे कधीच रिपीट होत नाही. Means symbols for 5, 50, 500 cannot repeat it. This means the number 10 cannot write V and V. This means the number 10 cannot write V, but it is write X. 10 is write X. 10 is write as X. Let us learn second rule. Rule second, rule of addition. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greatest value. Let us consider xi. Let us consider xi. in xi, the value of x is 10 and the value of I is 1. That means 10 plus 1 means 11. Also v I, v's value is 5, I value is 1, 5 plus 1 means 6. V I means 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. The third rule is rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of symbol higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. We subtract the smaller value from a higher value. For example, IV. For example, IV. First, we identify the small higher value. Higher value is V, and V's value is 5. I value is 1. 5 minus 1 means 4. Also, second example, IX. Second example, IX. The higher value x is 10 and smaller value of I is 1. 10 means 10 minus 1 means 9. Second, the symbol V, L and D cannot subtracted from any number. Means in Marathi V, L आणि D हे कोणत्या संख्येतून वजा केले जात नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 15 cannot write. For example, 15 cannot write 20 minus 5. 15 cannot write 20 minus 5, but it is right. 10 minus 10 plus. It is right. 10 plus means xv in Roman language. Third, R, X and C are used to subtract. I, X, C are used to subtract. There are just 6 combinations. There are 6 combinations in Roman language. First, I, V. IV means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Second, IX means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Third, XL is equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. XC means 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. CD means 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. CM is equal to 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Let us now how to read and write a Roman numerals. Now we learn about how to read and write a Roman numerals. 1. International numerals and Roman. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write in Roman numerals. 1 means I, 2 means I, 3 means I, 4 means use the subtraction rules. I, V. 5 means V. 6 means V, I. 7 means V, I. 8 means V, I. 9 means X, I. मराठी म्हणजे 9 म्हणजे काय? I आणि X. 10 म्हणजे 10 म्हणजेच X. 10 means X. याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. म्हणजेच जे आपण आता जे आंतरराष्ट्रीय लिपीमध्ये अंक लिहिले ते आता आपल्याला 20 पर्यंत रोमन भाषेत लिहायचे. राईट इन रोमन लँग्वेज. 11 for 11 mean 10 plus 1. 11 means 10 plus 1. 10 means X and 1 means I. X, I means 11. 12, X, I means 12. 13, X, I is a 30. 14, X, I, V means 14. 15, X, V means 15. 15 means 15. 16, 16 आता आपल्याला रोमन भाषेत लिहायचं आहे. 16, X. 17, X, V, I. 18, X, V, I means 8. Then write 19. 19 means आपण रोमन भाषेत त्याला लिहू शकतो 10 plus 9. 10 plus 10 साठी in X, I, X. 19 means 10 minus 10 plus 9. 20, X. Today we are learn about Roman numbers from 1 to 20. म्हणजे 20 पर्यंत रोमन भाषेत संख्या कशी लिहिली जाते आपण आज शिकलो. आता याच्यानंतर समजा आपल्याला एखादी संख्या रोमन भाषेत कशी लिहायची ते आपण एक्झाम्पल बघणार. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ X, I, V? What is the value of X, I, V in international numbers? First, we identify this symbol's value. Value of X. Value of X is 10. Value of I and V is 4 get addition of both number means 10 plus 4 is equal to 40, means value of xiv is equal to 14. Second example, what is the value of RxVii? First we identify the value of these symbols. म्हणजे आपल्याला पहिले यांची किंमत आपल्याला आंतरराष्ट्रीय लिपीत काय आहे ते आपल्याला शोधावं लागेल. आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ vii. फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x म्हणजे किंमत, x ची किंमत इन रोमन भाषेमध्ये 10. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x is 10 and also value of vii is 7. 10 plus 7 means 70. Today we have learned about Roman